Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch alloy wheels. Silk beige MB-Tax interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, premium one package with blind spot assist, an LED logo that appears when you open the door, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, turn wheel and pad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 88,305 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.